Good morning. Bonjour. Guten Abend. Haiva Ilta. Sasrikal. Ni hao. Hi, I'm Garth Frizzell. I'm City Councillor in the City of Prince George, and today I'm speaking to you from the traditional unceded territory of the Lheidli First Nation in Prince George, British Columbia. I'm also speaking to you on behalf of the Federation of Canadian Municipalities. We represent 2,000 municipalities, from the smallest rural area to the largest city in Canada. That's 90% of Canada's population. And I want to tell you that, like your communities and cities, we have been going through an incredibly tough time. The pandemic has just gutted the revenues going into our municipal budgets, and they've forced us to make some really tough decisions. Yes, we've been really encouraged by our federal and provincial partners, all orders of government working together to try to get through this. But at the same time, it's so important that when we're down and out like this, we look to a brighter future. And I can tell you that Canadian municipalities, when they're looking towards a brighter future, are looking towards one that's more inclusive and more green. So as we start to build back better out of this pandemic, I just want to say a few words about inclusivity and greenness, because this has changed everything, from the way we're talking today, to our economies, to our focus on the environment and our natural infrastructure. At FCM, we've known for 20 years the importance of green municipal infrastructure. Through our partnership with the federal government, we operate the Green Municipal Fund, which provides infrastructure grants and supports and loans to municipalities all across Canada. Here in Prince George, that helped to fund our district energy system that provides heat through the downtown core to many of our government buildings. It also helped with our municipal police station as well, which is built to an environmental standard. In addition, as we start building our new swimming pool, it will be connected up to the district energy system. And that alone is going to reduce the expected greenhouse gas emissions from that pool by 90%. There are smart solutions out there, and I'm certain that you know about them. But there's more to it than that, because our economies have also been really gutted by this pandemic. So as we start to come out, we want to look for solutions that are going to build us back better. What we mean by that, when we use the phrase, is that the solutions are more environmental, that they're more sustainable. For instance, just last week, I was speaking about a bus fleet and an industrial truck fleet in Quebec that had come from the Green Municipal Fund. Those are electric vehicles. And that project reached out to 15 different communities throughout Quebec. It's providing trucks, camionettes, charging stations for those communities. And as we come out of this pandemic, 2,000 communities across Canada are looking to build that future together. And with support and partnerships with people like you, we'll get there. I want to thank the organizers of the Bioeconomy Conference, to Rob Van Adricum, the staff at the City of Prince George, the organizing committee for the Bioeconomy Conference, and to you for tuning in. We're all in this together, and that unifying message is so important. Thank you for being a part of the solution.